Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can pin your post in Facebook. When you pin a particular post, it will always be visible at the top of your timeline so that people can easily reach to that particular post. So let's see how to do this. First, click on the profile tab at the top corner. Then once you are in your profile, simply go to that particular post that you want to pin. So for example, I want to pin this particular post right here. So in order to pin this post, simply click on these three horizontal dots at the top of this post, and it will give you an option at the first which says pin post. Simply click on this pin post button, and here you can see that this post has been successfully pinned at the top of my profile. So here you can see that this post has been successfully pinned. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.